get this one. I'm gonna get because it's so tiny. Me too. It's sticky. It's like a candy. But it is a candy bar! You want to share? Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to make YEMA candy. So these are the ingredients. We have butter, egg yolk, and some condensed milk. So let's start. So first we're going to put the butter. Yep. I want to put it too. Yes. So let's spread it, I think. Here. Yeah. Wait until the butter melted. Yep. It's getting refreshing. Refreshing? It's getting refreshing. Can I mix it too? Huh? Please. On one condition. What? I'll put the egg. No! That's not the egg. That's egg yolk. Yep. Eggy as something. It is almost melted. Yep. It smells good. Yeah. Smells very, very yummy and good. It's almost melted. Melting. It's melting. It's melting. Okay, so next we will put. So now the butter is melted. Next we will put the condensed milk. Okay, so stop mixing it. It's melted. Let me put it on the plate. Pour it all. Can I mix it? I'm the one who's gonna mix it. Because you mix the butter. Hey, I'm the one. Okay, so let's pour the condensed. Hold please. Okay. Transfer it into my other hands. And be careful. Be careful, guys, because hot is too dangerous. You may look ugly your skin. You will burn your skin. Yep. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now it's my turn. Mix it slowly but surely. Mix it. It's going. I'm gonna mix it too. Hey! Let's turn on the alarm. I'm gonna go this way, you're gonna go this way, okay? Do that. Again. Make it slowly. But surely. Is it good? Surely. It's getting smelly. Did you say smelly? No, I said enough. It is getting better. Hey! Better and better, but surely. Slowly but surely. So now we will put the egg. Let's mix it together. And I will mix it because you put it. Okay? Let's both mix it. Hey! Hold on sideways. Hey! It's getting really hot. Why you're saying Hey, 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 hey. Hey! I think there's more inside. And I will mix it. Mix it. Mix it. I'll use the other spoon. Mix it. Mix it. Truly, but truly. Stay on your position. Ako muna. I'll just wait here. You're next. Okay. It's very hot. I'll use the others. $10,000 years later. I think that it is ready, so we will transfer it into a plate. I'll get the plate. Beep beep. You put oil in the plate so it will grease. Okay, so let's transfer it. It's so hot. Are you okay? Yes. Can I have a knife? No. Ow! It touched me. No. Okay, papakipa ba? Oh, there is more. Okay, let's go. Wait lang, ibaba ka muna. And then marami pa. Okay. Okay na? Not yet. Now we're done cooling it in 10 minutes. So now we will put an oil in our hands and we're going to circle it to make it a candy. So of course you need to wash YEMA candy. Of course you need to wash your hands first. Yeah, mine is washed. Me too. So let's put oil. Here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oil. I'm getting more oil in my hand too. It smells not good. My hand is moisturized. Now we will use this spoon to slice it and to circle it. I'll use this. It is not hot anymore. Yeah. What is scared? But it's still sticky. A little bit sticky. Hey, it's sticking. Mine is not sticking, you know. It's like an egg, guys. Oh, no. You crushed it! You've crushed our YEMA. So guys, it should be like this. After you circle it, you will put it in a plate that have, I think guys, that have oil. You! I'm gonna get more oil for my hand. I don't want this. Okay, I'll get more YEMA. I've got it. It will not stick. It stick to the spoon. It stick. It will not stick into my hand. Cause I got all into my hand. Cause I got all into my hand. Shine like rainbow. Your YEMA there is so flat. I know it. Okay. Now, circle it again. Let's put it in the jar. So I need to get more YEMA to make it candy. It will not stick in my hand because it got the oil in my hand. And it's sticky! No, it's not sticky. It's yucky! I got the oil in my hand. Sticking again! It's not sticking in me. It's just hard to make it in circles. It's just like butt. We need to make it like a YEMA candy. Yeah, I'm having trouble. Me too. I think this is good enough. Me too. It's like an egg, you know. It's melting. I know. I need more oil on my hands. So now, let's use this spoon. After you get it, it will be sticky. And the spoon. Is that a Play-Doh? Oh, that's not a mug. Hey, stop sticking on me and get in a circle. I'm having a hard time circling this YEMA, but it will be tasty. You know, it will be tasty enough if we make it like a candy. It's very super yummy. I think this is good. Let me just put it there. Where's my spoon? I think this is my spoon. No, the big one is mine. That's my spoon. This is my spoon. Excuse me. This is my spoon. We're selling YEMAs. If you have plastic YEMA, you can use it to wrap it. Yeah, to make it a circle. You're not in your seat. Okay. Oh boy. Wait. It's too big. Let's just glue it. I've got another big one to make it. It's just something. So much plastic, please. We need more plastic. And it's hard. What do you need? It's hard to circle this. I'm just gonna eat it. No! What? You ate the big one. Now that one. That big again? No, I'm not gonna eat it. I didn't eat this. I didn't eat the big one. Oh, huh? Now we are mad again. Okay, here is some. Huh? It's I'm just gonna prepare your next one. I need some more plastics, but here's the plastics. don't need any plastics. You won't like plastics. Don't buy it. I wanted to use this. We're done, guys. So we just use another wrapper, cling wrap. So cause we don't have YEMA wrapper. YEMA wrapper. Here we go. It's done. So let's place it. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get because it's so tiny. Me too. It's sticky. It's like a candy. But it is a candy mine! You want to share it? Yes. I just got that's good, guys. Can't wait to taste it. Bye, guys. If you want to bake it, then bake it.